Introducing the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you